What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a while since we put out some content. I had a lot of people reach out to me and ask me, was I ever coming back to YouTube? And the answer is yes, we are. But we were kind of getting everything squared away for what we're going to do. And I had a lot of decisions to make, and as you can see, there's some changes being made. One of those changes is the name. Now, for those of you that have been around a while, remember this is a name, Speed Addict 731 is a name that we started out as in 2018. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's Speed Addict 731. My name's Ken. All right, that's a little snippet from my very first video, almost 8 years ago. And so when we first started the channel, I started the channel just to share my passion with you guys. I actually had content on the channel before that, and I didn't talk in it, though. It was just clips from the drag strip that I put together to share with people. And mainly put it on YouTube because it's the easiest way to send it to my friends. They can see the drag strip videos and stuff like that. So that's mainly what I was doing. And then Caleb Foxcast had a channel, and he would put me on the camera and want me to talk about couple things here and there, and I decided to go ahead and start my own channel talking on it. And so May of 18 we started a channel, and when we started the channel, like I said, it was just to share my passion with cars. And if I went to a drag strip, whatever I did, I would just share with you guys. And we started out with a goal of making 3 videos a week, and I held to that for quite a while. And we would put them out pretty much Monday, Wednesday, and Friday around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and that was kind of my schedule. We did that for a while. In 2019 we started going live on Wednesday nights. So then I made a video every Monday and Friday, and then Wednesday would be my nights I went live. And we did that for a little while. And then in 2021, I opened up the shop HPR, and I changed the name to HPR for the YouTube channel. And the whole thing behind that was that I wanted to get everything up under one brand, which made sense at the time. And I did have some people warn me against it, but at the time it made sense, put everything up under one brand, and I didn't think longevity of the channel for the most part. And what I mean by that is that once I changed the name over to HPR, I got to where I felt like everything had to do with the shop. I had to make content that had to have something to do with the shop. And there was a lot of content that I used to make that I wouldn't make anymore because it didn't have nothing to do with the shop, and I wanted everything to pertain to the shop. And I know even though it was that same name, I could have did whatever, but I felt like it needed to be, you know, if it had the shop name, it needed to have something to do with the shop. And that's where I made my mistake. I got to where I didn't make as many videos because I couldn't make you guys the same videos over and over and over again of, you know, Whipple install, ESS install. I mean, when you work on nothing but Fords and you're installing pretty much the same stuff all the time, and every once in a while you might get a unique build in, but sometimes those unique builds, the customer, you know, wanted to keep stuff quiet, and they didn't want their stuff all over the place, and so you had to respect that. And so it just got to the point to where I just wasn't making any content, and it was very far and few between. Maybe when I went to the drag strip, but it was very little content. That on top of that of just being really busy with the shop, you know. So I kind of let everything get in the way of making content, and I really miss making the content. Around January of this year, 2026, I started talking to a couple friends of mine that also do YouTube, and I brought up the idea of bringing back the Speed Addict 731 name. And why? I wanted to get back of making content, not just shop content, but content that I used to make, content I used to enjoy, and I wanted to get back to that. And so they were all for it. You know, they encouraged me, so I went ahead and changed the name, and I've been getting things set in place and gearing up to bring the channel back. So now we're going to talk a little bit about what's coming this year with the channel, what kind of content we're going to bring you. Of course, we're going to bring you guys car content. That's what this channel's all about. And we're going to bring you guys, of course, we're going to go to the drag strip throughout the year. And then we're also going to have content at a track. I want to start doing some road course stuff, and like take you guys along for that journey, and start having some fun there too. And there will be some shop content here and there. You know, we will do that. And all types of content. I just want to get back to the way it used to be back in the day. So car wise, where are we now? We're going to have the car reveal in the next video, but I will let you know that the 16 and the 22 are gone. We actually traded the 22 for a 25. We kept it for a little while, and then we got rid of it because we had an opportunity to get something different, and we're going to talk about that in the next video. But I think you guys are going to enjoy it. It's a car that I wanted ever since they came out. It was just always not the right time to pick it up. And also, I kind of wanted a certain color. I wanted everything to be just right. And then I actually wasn't really looking for it. It kind of just fell in my lap. And we decided to go ahead and pick it up. But we'll talk about that in the next video. If you on my Facebook, you know what it is. Please don't run to the comments and say what it is. Ruin it for everybody else. But if you're on my Facebook, Instagram, you already know what it is. But I think you're going to enjoy it, because I have really started enjoying this car. I'm not gonna sit here and bore you out any longer. But I just kind of wanted to drop a video as to why we're changing the name back to Speed Addict 731. We are coming back. This video will be airing on Monday, and I'm going to try to get you videos every Monday and Friday. If I get to the point where I can bring you more than that, I will, but we're going to try every Monday and Friday at least to bring you guys content. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you have not, and we will see you in the next one.